Hi, my name is Judilyn Garcia. I'm 56 years old with one daughter, 22 years old. I've been working in Hong Kong for almost, no, actually 31 years, 31 years to be exact. And mostly my employer are Chinese. There was a time I had employer Japanese with Dutch family. I love cooking and I love kids. I love pets and I can also do something else inside the house like fixing other things like electric or doing masonry. I can do that. I can sew. Uh, I can do repair of clothes. I can do that. My personality, I'm Billy Jolie. I always positive and I'm healthy and never been in the hospital in Hong Kong for my age now. I prefer to work alone, so I don't like working with other helper. I'm taking for the last 6 years. I take care. Took care one. No, no, no. When three, I four children between 3 to 9 years old. Currently, I'm working with family with one daughter, 8 years old, and the employer will stop the job because the company has been closed for bankruptcy. So they asked me to look for another employer. Um, and I hope you can consider me. I'm 56 and not really young, but I'm healthy. Thank you very much and hope you can find my profile in Helper Library apps. Thank you very much and looking forward to see you on your family. Bye.